Hello again. Here's the Drake T4XB front panel that I'm going to put back on the radio. And, well, this little cover here holds a NE2 bulb. They had the standard orange one in here. And, well, now that 52 years have passed, you get more selection of NE2 bulbs. So, good old Amazon had like 100 of these for $10, and they're red. So I thought, hey, red would look cool, better than orange. So in goes the red for the VFO color. There's the new NE2 red bulb on there, and you can just slip back these protection insulation covers. Luckily, they do slip back, so I slip them back and just solder the solder the NE2 bulb on the exact same length as what was there. And I'm finding that it has to snake up through this little hole here, so I'm going to bend this thing at a 90-degree angle, and I think that's all that needs to be done with it. So I'm going to bend it a bit, and it should sneak into here then. Sneak into here. Let's see how that works out with one hand here. And it goes, boom, boom, one hand, and there it is. Yep, that's probably all you gotta do, and bolt it on, bolt the cover on. So that's about it for the NE2 bulb on the Drake anything. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.